it important for you to be at the SPA conference this year?
Well, a couple of things. It's good to catch up with a lot of our existing advisors, our partners. So at Locate and Negotiate, we lean on third parties such as financial planners and accountants. Of course, there's a flight now for people to buy property inside their self-managed super fund. We're there to help them with that. We're fee for service. We're not aligned to any property developers. We're not aligned to any real estate agents. We don't get any kickbacks. It's just transparent model.
And what are you hoping to achieve at the conference this year?
I think, like most of the other partners here, it's brand awareness. We're all trying to, get involved more with the partners out there. It's a very topical thing at the moment, property and inside your self-managed super fund. So it's just trying to really stay front of mind.
And are there any new products and features and services that you're trying to explain to people here today?
It's twofold. Today, of course, a lot of emphasis around the self-managed super fund. So it's the buying acquisition service that we're doing, residential and commercial. However, at the moment, as you know, a lot of people at the top end are selling. We've also got the seller's advocacy as well, where we help people project manage their sale. But today, it is about self-managed super funds, so it's mainly about the purchasing.
Why is it important for you to be at the SPA conference this year?
Look, SPA is a great opportunity for BetaShares to reach out to the advisors that use our exchange-traded funds, and particularly for their clients in self-managed super fund at trustee land.
Excellent. And what are you hoping to achieve by being at the SPA conference this year?
The main thing with exchange-traded funds that we're aware of is that there's a lack of understanding about the detail behind exchange-traded funds. So although it's the fastest growing investment class around the world, we need to educate our customers.
Excellent. And what are you looking forward to? What would be the highlight that you're looking forward to of the conference?
You mean apart from the drinks? No, obviously it's a great event and there's hundreds of advisors here, so we really look forward to networking actually and getting the BetaShares message out. Excellent.
And are there any new products, services that you're here to tell people about?
Well, yeah, we've got a great range of exchange-traded funds that grows rapidly, and particularly this year we've got some commodity exchange-traded funds and we've got Australia's only gold hedged exchange-traded fund. And basically this year, where equities and bonds are under pressure, commodities are the ones that we're really advocating people get exposure to.
It's important for Colonial First State to sponsor the SPA conference this year because self-managed super funds is a huge part and a growing part of the financial advice business, and we really want to be a part of that. We want to add value to advisors and clients that run their own self-managed super funds. Obviously this is a big branding opportunity. What we want to achieve is relationships, have good dialogue with potential clients, existing clients, and really help try and find out areas where we can add value both in technology, investment solutions, cash.
So why is it important for you to be at the SPA conference this year?
Okay, Super Guardian have been long-standing members of SPA. We enjoy attending SPA events partly for the technical content. This year we're enjoying being a sponsor and having a booth for our second time, predominantly for branding, so a little bit about getting our name out there and being recognised as one of the leading SMSF administrators. I think we're keen to be part of SPA and attend the event so that we can get our name out there to new participants, new members, again have a chance to talk to people about what we do. We're finding that increasingly accountants are coming to us to talk about our new outsourcing service, and so we've already had a couple of accountants come up and talk about how we can work with those businesses. So we've always provided an online sort of daily, monthly and annual service. As I mentioned before, we're now providing outsourcing services to accountants. It is a service we have always provided, but we're now focusing our marketing efforts in that space. I personally believe the introduction of SuperStream and the new measures that are due to take effect from 1 July next year will actually see a lot of the smaller accounting practices either decide to step up their SMSF services or make a decision to outsource to administrators. So again, we're here and keen to talk to accountants about what they do in that space.
So why is it important for you to attend the SPA conference this year?
So look, we at Supercorp think that the SPA conference is really the preeminent SMSF event of the year. There are so many people here, both that we do know and that we'd like to know, and it's a great way for us to represent Supermate, our fantastic new cloud-based SMSF administration product.
And do you have any services or new products that you're here to tell people about?
We're an actuarial service provider, so we provide actuarial certificates from Benzala Actuarial, and we're very delighted that we can do it as efficiently as possible. We do it quickly, we do it accurately, and we offer great value for money, I think. So we're always delighted to have the opportunity to tell our clients about the services we offer.
Yes, we do. We're in the commercial mortgage space, and we have probably had a wilderness for the last 3 years. We're launching 2 new products this year. We're launching the Balmain Mezzanine Income Portfolio, which is a product that's designed to give investors returns of 8 to 10% per annum, paid monthly, and also what we call our Private Debt Trust product, which enables investors to pick particular individual investments that suit them, giving them returns of between 7 and 10%.
So for money management, one of the few quick things that we want to walk away with for this conference for all the exhibitors, for all of our commercial partners and for all the delegates that are coming, let them know about the iPad application that we've got coming up, educate them about our education programs that are coming up to complement SPA, as well as ensuring that they know that we're the #1 reliable form of news that are available to them in the market.
It's always important for Class Super because we're a self-managed fund superannuation administration provider. Not so much administration, but we provide the software for the administrators to use. So we're a specialist self-managed company.
Hi, so it's day 2. What are the highlights of the conference so far?
I think what we're seeing is really 2 things. There's a continuing massive growth in the number of self-managed funds being formed, but the main thing we're seeing is that the majority of advisors here are really focusing on what they're going to put in their client's investment portfolio. So they're really thinking about investments for 2012 and beyond. But no, look, we're seeing massive inflows from self-managed super. So, investors are really cost conscious now. This whole new normal of low returns is going to be with us for quite a few years, and costs and transparency is a really big part of it.
So why is Asgard at SPA this year?
Well, Asgard's at SPA because we like to connect with financial advisors and accountants in the industry, and they're here to learn the latest knowledge about their profession and build their business. Asgard's here to partner with them and assist them all the way to help them control their own business and manage it with as much flexibility as they need to manage their book.
It's very important for Super Concepts to be at the SPA conference. Being one of the leading self-managed super fund administrators in the industry, it's important that we maintain our brand, with our key, the key people in the industry. So, and the great thing for us being here is just the other people we get to talk to. They're very much the people we want to do business with and partner with.
Are there any new products and services or features that you are here to tell people about?
One of the flagship offerings for Super Concepts is a product called SuperTrack. So SuperTrack is an online self-managed super fund portfolio administration system. It differs from its competitors in that it provides daily pricing. There's a data feed capability to access information on things like cash, term deposits, direct equities, wrap accounts, etc. So we're trying to, enhance the technological capability and give clients something that they might not have had with their self-managed super fund administration historically.
Well, SPA is really got a group of advisors that Aspen Group thinks are its right target market. So self-managed super funds is a growing sector of the market. Our funds are a little bit different at the moment, although we're hoping to bring out some more product that is mainstream. But self-managed super, we believe, has a really good quality advisor, and it's the sort of advisor we want to do business with going forward. I think the highlights have been really, firstly, the diversity of the sessions. It's been a great mixture of investment and technical and legal, and I think the conference has been a credit to the organisers. I think Shane Oliver's topic on the economic outlook was terrific in that he was reminding people that whilst there's a lot of turbulence and uncertainty, the fundamentals of the investment cycle remain.